Hi, dear viewers. Welcome again to God's Mission channel. I hope you all have a good day and be also blessed with our videos. So, here Vijaya is with us. We'll be sharing new things as usual. Welcome, Vijaya.
Thank you so much, Nia, once again for inviting me.
So, Vijaya, God used to speak to you and you would hear his voice. So, did God always speak to you about your situations, or did he also speak about the people around you and the situations? And even if he speaks about them, did you share with your people and did you pray with them, or how did you proceed after that?
Yes, Nia, in office, my staff used to observe me. Ma'am, she'll go every time into the cabin and everything she says, pray, 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 and she'll every each and issue she'll keeps praying. And they used to ask me, and they started some staff members started sharing their issues, sharing their grievances sometimes, and I used to counsel them and I used to pray for them also. So God used to speak about them also to me, and immediately as I used to reveal what God has revealed, and they used to tell, yes, exactly, this is in my life. Yes, yes, they used to immediately acknowledge that it is correct. And I have seen so many sick people also, depression people also, and so many requirements they used to have. They used to, suppose for example, somebody is in hospital, they used to make a point that we have to inform ma'am that she'll keep it in the prayer. So they used to call and inform me sometimes, or they used to come and tell me. So all these things continued when I was working. So I used to share the word of God also near to them. So in this way, I also used to tell them, you also can pray for me because I'm in a battle with witchcraft. Big battle is going on in my life. But what they used to tell, uh, some members used to tell me, as soon as we start taking out your name, some power used to attack us, Satan used to attack us. Not only one, so many people has told me that Satan attacks you as soon as we take your name, ma'am. Then I asked God, what is this? They should not pray for me also, Jesus Daddy. Then God revealed that yes, they attack because they are weak. They don't want to. Satan don't want to pray for you. Then I asked why. Then I thought that I replied to Satan one day that okay, you want to isolate me, no? Are friends with me, whoever is helping me, whoever is good to me, immediately your work is that to create a enmity between them and me. So you cause such kind of reasons. So you create such kind of a situation. So okay, that also I compromised, Nia. I told Satan that okay, do, but you cannot stop the heavenly kingdom, Jesus dad, and the angels to be with me. No, that's not possible. So take everybody, no problem. The angels, Jesus dad, I'll enjoy with them, I'll worship with them, I'll be with them. So I came to such kind of a conclusion, Neha.
That is so nice to hear, Vijaya. So, dear viewers, you saw how Vijaya overcame the situations and how she got solutions and how she dealt with these things. Thank you, Vijaya, for sharing such good things. These are so valuable that no person can share.
Thank you so much, Neha, and have a blessed heavenly kingdom life and love you all with Jesus dad's love.
So, viewers, we have a lot more coming in our new videos. So, stay tuned and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.